Welcome back to AK Luxury Car Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in outdoor adventure vehicles. Today, we have something truly special, something that's going to get off-road enthusiasts, campers, and overlanders really excited. We're taking an in-depth look at the brand new 2025 Toyota 4X4 camper van. Toyota has a long history of making reliable off-road vehicles, but this is a game-changer for anyone who loves to explore the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort. Right off the bat, this van stands out with its rugged exterior design. It's built on Toyota's legendary platform, combining durability and off-road capability with the practicality of a camper van. The lifted stance, all-terrain tires, and aggressive body cladding make it clear that this vehicle is ready for any adventure you throw at it. Whether you're navigating rocky trails, sandy deserts, or snowy mountain passes, the Toyota 4X4 camper van is built to handle it all. Under the hood, you'll find Toyota's latest hybrid powertrain, blending power and efficiency to ensure you can go the distance. The combination of a fuel-efficient engine and an advanced all-wheel drive system gives you the confidence to explore remote locations without worrying about fuel stops every few hours. Toyota has also equipped this van with multiple drive modes, allowing you to switch between eco, normal, and off-road settings depending on the terrain. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a thoughtfully designed interior that balances comfort with functionality. The layout is optimized for space, making it feel roomy while still offering all the essentials you need for a great camping experience. There's a fully equipped kitchenette with a sink, a 2-burner stove, and a compact refrigerator, allowing you to cook meals no matter where you are. The storage compartments are well placed, ensuring you have plenty of room for all your gear. One of the standout features inside is the convertible sleeping area. During the day, you have a spacious seating arrangement with a fold-out table, perfect for meals, work, or just relaxing after a long day on the trails. At night, the seats easily convert into a comfortable bed, giving you a cozy place to rest. Toyota has also included a pop-up roof option for those who need extra sleeping space, making this van perfect for couples or small families. The tech inside is just as impressive. A large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration keeps you connected, while a premium sound system makes sure your road trip playlist sounds amazing. There are multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and even solar panels on the roof to keep your devices powered without draining the main battery. For those who love off-grid adventures, this camper van has you covered. It comes with a built-in freshwater tank, a gray water system, and an optional composting toilet, making it easy to stay out in nature longer. The van is also equipped with an auxiliary battery system that can be charged via solar, shore power, or the engine itself, ensuring you always have enough power for your appliances and lights. Driving this van is an absolute pleasure. Toyota has worked hard to make sure it handles well both on and off the road. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and rough terrain effortlessly. The advanced 4-wheel drive system includes features like hill descent control and a locking rear differential, giving you extra confidence when tackling steep or slippery surfaces. One thing Toyota has always been known for is safety, and they didn't cut any corners here. The 2025 4X4 camper van comes with Toyota's full suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to help you navigate tight spots. Whether you're driving through city streets or deep in the wilderness, you can feel secure knowing you have the latest driver assist technology watching your back. Another great feature is the exterior storage solutions. Toyota has added roof racks, side-mounted storage boxes, and even a rear-mounted spare tire with an integrated ladder. There's also an optional awning that extends from the side, providing shade and shelter when you set up camp. For those who love biking, kayaking, or other outdoor activities, there are built-in mounting points for additional gear, making it easy to bring all your adventure toys along for the ride. Let's talk about price. Toyota has priced this camper van competitively, making it an attractive option compared to other fully built-out adventure vans on the market. While it's not the cheapest option out there, you're getting Toyota's legendary reliability, off-road capability, and a well-thought-out camper design straight from the factory. Plus, with Toyota's extensive dealership network, servicing and repairs are much easier than with custom-built or third-party camper conversions. Overall, the 2025 Toyota 4X4 camper van is an incredible vehicle that bridges the gap between hardcore off-road rigs and comfortable camper vans. It's rugged, reliable, and ready for any adventure. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking for an easy way to escape the city or a full-time traveler searching for the ultimate overland vehicle, this camper van has the features, capability, and reliability to meet your needs. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Toyota 4X4 camper van. Let us know in the comments what you think of this beast. Would you take it on your next adventure? And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in camping and overland vehicles. Thanks for watching AK Luxury Car Reviews, and we'll see you on the next adventure.